welcome back. Or if you're new here, my name is Amanda and I make fashion, beauty, and travel videos weekly. If that's something you're interested in, please subscribe down below. Today, I'm so excited. Can you tell I'm excited? I've been waiting for UPS to come and drop this box off, and I'm gonna do my first unboxing on my channel. I've never done this before. Super excited. I guess because my expressions are always on my face. So like if I'm disappointed in something, it's gonna show on my face. Or if I'm super happy about something, it's gonna show. So anyway, I am so excited that I got this. This is the LUG Life Box. And if you don't know what this is a box that was curated that has $300 worth of value, and it's for half price. And they only had 200 of them available, 100 for Canada and 100 for the US. And I think this sold out within the first 5 minutes of when it was for sale. I think it was August the 24th, I think it was, when we ordered these, and they wanted to have everybody receive them on August the 31st. And I know that some people got them early because there's a few of these unboxings already. There's a few of these unboxings already on YouTube, and it was so hard to not watch them because I was like, I really want to know what I'm getting, but then I really want to be surprised. So it's been a hard 5 days because I think the first one was 5 days ago, so it's been a hard 5 days to wait. But it's here. As soon as I heard UPS coming down the driveway, I ran to the door and I got this. And I'm like, I'm going to video this right now while I can and get this up because I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait. I can't wait to see what's in here. So here we go. Here it is. All right, let's get this little buddy opened. I feel like with the theme of the box, good grief, how much tape is on here. I feel like I'm opening up a present that my mother wrapped for Christmas. She always tapes and tapes and tapes, and it like takes forever to get into it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I wonder if this is any indication of what's inside it. But here we go. Here we go. And here it is. How pretty is that packaging? So let's open up this envelope and see what's in the envelope. All right. The LUG Life Box Feel Good Edition includes unique and specialty LUG items that are meant to instantly brighten your day, valued at over $300. Every item has been carefully curated and designed with you in mind. We wanted to spread some LUG love with an assortment that will make you smile. A never before seen LUG products, exclusive special offers and items. We are so excited you received your delivery. Well, they don't know how excited I am that I received my delivery. So $15 just for you for spreading the LUG love. Okay, I can do that because I love LUG. Notepad. I will definitely use that. Create your own rainbow every day. How cute is that? Oh, these cute little stickers. My little boys are going to fight me over those. Live life in color. Buttons. Oh, how cute. The buttons. Okay, refer your friend, $25 off. Another one, $25 off. And a pen, add that to my collection. And let's see what this is. Oh, $50 gift card. Wow, awesome. I will use that probably today. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Okay, gray. We'll see what it is. I have not seen this before. Trolley CB in pearl gray. CB. What is CB? Crossbody? Because it looks like a trolley. I have a video on 8 ways I use the trolley if you want to watch it as well. Let's see what this is. Okay. So, open up this front. Oh my goodness, look at this lining. That lining is so pretty. So it looks like it has a built-in wallet right here and a zipper in the front. I wonder if this is RFID. Yep, this is RFID shielded in the front. So that is cool. Double zipper in the front, just like the trolley is. And cell phone pocket, felt lines. Let's see. Looks like it's got a zipper on the back with that lining as well. I really like this handle. It's like a rubber handle. I really like that. So that's got the lining on one side and then the gray on that side. So the two little things on the side like the trolley has. And let's see the inside. So it is a crossbody. Let's get that out. Okay, so it looks like it has a key leash in here. And that pretty lining in the front again. Two cargo pockets in the back. And it looks like it has one of the clear view pockets in the front. So this is cute. I'm not sure because it's so wide if I'll use it as a crossbody. We'll see, because I use the Carousel XL as a crossbody. So we will see if I like that. But if nothing else, I'll definitely use this as the handle and maybe put it in a bigger bag when I'm traveling. Yeah, I might do that. Okay, so that was that. And here's what we have left. Let's see. So we have 3 of the face masks in this camo color. I don't have their face mask. I was going to when they had it for the Today Special Value on QVC. I was really wanting that ocean one, the Aloha Navy, and did it have the Palm Sunset and something else? I really wanted it, but it sold out before I could get it, so I didn't get to get it yet. But I don't have any of them, so I'm happy to have these. So here's the face mask, and it looks like it comes with the filters that go with it too. And we're still going. And yes, apparently the box was an indication of what's inside. So we've got this up next, which is the 2-piece Echo Shoppers reusable packable tote. And it's in this rainbow navy. So we'll snap here. And I actually don't have any of the Echo Shoppers either. So these will be neat. These will be neat, nice and roomy. Yes, I like these. Okay, I like these. All right. And next, let's see this right here. So this is one of the heart pouches, and I just finished filming a video that'll be coming up probably tomorrow. That was my August favorites, and I had the swivel, the LUG swivel, as one of my favorites, and it has this heart pouch that goes with it that I keep my keys in, because it's just neat to clip on there and have a neat place to keep your keys. So I don't have anything in rainbow navy, so I didn't know what the lining was like, but that's a neat lining with that. And then it looks like there's a key clip in the rainbow navy, and this looks like this is the last thing that's in here. Ooh, and this is a coupe. I only have one coupe, and it is in black. So this is a gorgeous navy. I do love the navy. I like that navy. If anybody is not familiar with what the coupe is, it has these little things in the back where you can slide the strap. You can slide the strap in through there and wear it as a belt bag. That's how I mostly use it, but you can also use it as a crossbody too. So let's see the lining in this. Ooh, that's a pretty lining. Ooh, that pretty blue lining. I like that. So it's got your little clear thing right there for your ID case, a back zipper right here, and then nice and roomy in that side. And then it has a second zip right here with the crossbody right there. I mean, I occasionally use it as a crossbody, but I mostly use it as a belt bag. And then there's the inside of that. I like that color of that lining. Ooh, I really like that. All right, so I am overall happy with the bag. I'm still deciding on that trolley, the crossbody trolley, if I'm going to use it as a crossbody or just use it as a handle and put it in a larger bag. So really, really like it. I'm so excited, and I'm so glad you joined me for my unboxing, my first unboxing. Super happy about it. Let me know whether you like my unboxing or not. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Tell me something in the comments. And thank you for sharing with me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day.